Unlock the full potential of your Substack by seamlessly weaving code into your content and captivating your technical audience. First, let's explore embedding simple code snippets directly into your posts. This is the most straightforward way to share examples, illustrate concepts, or provide reference material when you're composing your Substack article. Simply paste your code into the editor. Substack automatically detects code blocks and formats them with syntax highlighting, making them easy to read and understand. Think of how this can elevate a tutorial on a specific programming language. Or when you're sharing useful configuration files, the clean presentation ensures your readers focus on the code itself, not struggling with formatting. Next, consider creating interactive demos for a truly engaging experience. You can embed live, runnable code directly within your Substack. This allows your readers to experiment with your examples in real time, fostering a deeper understanding and encouraging interaction. This is particularly powerful for front-end development, data visualization, or showcasing small interactive widgets. Imagine a post explaining a new JavaScript feature with an embedded demo. Your readers can instantly try it out and see the results for themselves. This transforms passive reading into an active learning journey. Beyond simple snippets and interactive demos, coding on Substack is perfect for in-depth technical explanations when you're breaking down complex algorithms, explaining API functionalities, or diving into system architecture. Code becomes your primary explanatory tool. You can use formatted code blocks to illustrate specific points within your narrative, alongside explanations and diagrams. This approach is invaluable for building authority and trust with a technically savvy audience, providing them with the detailed, accurate information they crave.